This is our quarter, third quarter. This is Alvin Kabua, hand off. To number 10. Ayun. To Lopez, Raymond beats it out. After the jump shot, Nessus beat it out for Wilder. Here's the guy now, setting it up. Third quarter going once again. He's up against Raymond. One-handed shot, and an out, rebound by John Lloyd. Also here by Castasio. Burrito Riel, kick out. John Vick, forces the shot, no. Got it for the loose board. Makakuha young agent 77, Andres on the fire. Next for this time is Sophie. Sweetmark asking for a pick. That's a pass. Porter, cross court, down by Burrito. And now, rebound with John Vick. Here's Linzon, Brian. Riel for three. Yes, sir! Well, 3! Well done, Riel with 9 points now. With his first 3-pointer of this whole game. He's on 5 points, 19 p.m. No to go. Here's Brian. Linzon, hand up for Riel. Right side pass, John Vick, pass station. Floater shot. Couldn't make it. Back for the loose ball. Long to Brian. Here's Linzon. To the middle. Left side pass. John Vick. Sa kabilang dulo. Yes. Yes. Here is Raymond Lopez. 7 minutes up on the top of the key. You can make it all play, yes sir! What assist here. What assist here. We're doing it by one. I got the fucking Raymond Lopez. Stojo inside. Bates. Pescasio! Siya naman daw. Here is the night looking for an answer. Down boy. Taking the hand up down with Sherlock. Down by it. What was this? Stolen by Johnny. Here's the fun now. Passes Riel. Yes, sir. What a connection there from Weldon in the air and coming to Sojo. Slowly but surely they're pushing out, coming down the chase. Big to the lead, first score. Over the now, Mayon, Cooper, Rusol, rebound by Lee. Pescasio, hand off to Weldon. Riel will set this one up. Hand off, Brian with the letter. Linzon, Porte. Not this time, Viva Mesambaya. Hand off. Raymond. Solid there. Brian. Jump pass. John Vick. Inside. Timeout. Night. The upper hand. Now here is Raymond Lopez on the setup to the right side. By low hands on Noble. Passes Pinado off the gas. Puts it in. Here's Weldon. Riel setting it up. Left side pass. John Vick. 10 under shot clock. Weldon. Shaking bait. Drop pass. Substitution. Dan Garage is back. Can save for Gino Lizardo. Here's Lloyd. Pinalo. Hand off. 10 under shot clock. Lost for the game. No. That is a good score. Corner pass for Payne. Gomez, para pa na loose ball, makukuha yan. Di pa yun. All the way to the outlet, there, contact, and a foul. Foul number 15, that's Redden again. His first personal foul. 15 foul. 2 free throws for Albert and Malua. Pressure goes in for Albert. Substitution John Marcos takes in for Albert Malua. John Marcos, the hustle man is back. We're doing that night. Here is well there. The hot shot. William up against Raymond. Using up the pick. Cross court, Linson taking 10 on their shot clock. No one's there. Pestasio up inside now. Put back. Getting the basket and one. The foul's on number 6. It is John Martin Masahol. It is second personal foul. 15th foul. Bonus free throw for Nico Ray Pestasio. Miss. Para for the loose board, Berasio. Nowhere to go. Agawa ng bola, makukuha na ni Fayon. Raymond. Tumatawa sa loose player. Lloyd. Masukol inside the with a strong jumper. For 3. Yes, sir. That's that over here for Raymond Lopez. He's done. Berasio hand up to Brian. Cross court. Off to Custodio. Side-stepping move. The shot is good. 20 points now for John Big Custodio. Off that shaking big shot. This is now for D. UCLA. Fayon. On the middle. Kick out. Apalosa. Back to Fayon. Jumper. Now, he opens the ball, takes away that short. Sayang, he's out of nowhere to go. Rebound this time by Berasio. Here's Custodio now on the freeway, nowhere to go. Rebound by Hinalog. Here's John, Raymond, Toluwen, Hinalog. Get the contact. This is down. That was on number 6. Nico Ray Pestasio. Second personal foul, Pestasio. Piercing foul. Using the time wisely inside. Joris Custodio. Picking up the pace here. And assist. Hinalog now. Off move. There inside. Not a hesitation. Leo for D. Now. Masahol sa ilalim. We must remember John Masahol, the smallest man in the court, still diving inside the ring. Berasio for D. Misses. Mosina. Here is well dead. Up against, you're still there. Most things you're quickly on the shot clock. You still have 2 minutes to be exact. You're in our third quarter. Still is complete. Atamosa to lead. Muscle ball after the air. Yes, sir. 16 points now for John Muscle, playing with 5 assists and 4 rebounds of this. But there's Dan Delasio with a quick answer. Atamosa. Yeah, the foul's here for number 1. He's Dan Delasio. He's second personal foul. Tricky foul. 2 free throws for the win. Atamosa. He's right at 2 for the win. Atamosa. Behind the free throw line. Offer for 3. Will miss. Para for the loose board, mga tatabi nga. He's up Atamosa now with PJ. All the way, no pass, Muscle, once again, on the side. 150 to go. Here's Delasio. Powering his way in. Extra pass. Alter will miss. Alter once again. Yes, sir. Here is Vincent Musti. Just a couple seconds remaining. Jump shot, more to go. We go with that. Delasio, deep pass, Alter. Fly by, no. Jump it inside. 22 points. We're jumping to Sarjo. Atamosa. So Vincent Musti, stopping by Jay, couldn't make it. Here's offer now. Get in the contact. The foul is there. Foul number 3. It is Vincent Musti. His first personal foul on Vincent Musti. Second team foul. It is 2 out of 2 for Kid Alter on the deep blue shot. Lead is down there, 64 to 54, still have 50 seconds remaining. He's trying to go. Pace, drives, all the way in. 5 seconds to go. Well done, yeah, 3. At the end of the third quarter, official score 66 to 57. 9-point advantage still for the last 9.